Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. I've got a TMG Dumpster rolling out of the shop today. What?
The camera's just tracking you.
Back up a little bit first off. Back up a little bit and walk in as soon as it starts.
Well, the camera's got it's like
you've got some,
it's following us.
I know, you've got some weird mode on or something.
Turn it off.
Okay. Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. I've got a TMG Dumpster rolling out of the shop today. Now this one's going to my man Don in Illinois. He custom ordered this bad boy about 16 weeks ago. We got it built up for him. Now, it's actually about the 2-year anniversary of when we released the dumpster. And I feel like for the first year, it was kind of slept on. You know, people weren't too sure about it, but it has turned out to be one of our top sellers, and for good reason, guys. This thing, it's basically a direct heat cooker. You can smoke on it, you can grill on it, runs really well, super efficient, cooks ribs in about 3.5 hours, which is my favorite part. I don't want to wait around 6 hours for ribs. I want to eat them, you know what I'm saying? So great rib cooker, great on chicken. Well, let's check her out here now. Dawn has done a couple upgrades this unit. As you can see, it is on our off-road package. Of course, we got them hooked up with some badass wheels and tires from our friends down at Mods. But that's not just it. So we did a couple things. Now, typically your dumpster, you got a full top grate up here, and then you get one bottom grate. Well, he said, hey guys, throw me an extra slide in there and build me a charcoal grate. So he's got his standard wire mesh shelf down here, and he's got a 1/4-inch laser cutout grate here too. Throw charcoal on that, you can grill on it. Throw charcoal here, 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 put it up here, you can put it everywhere. So real versatile cooker. Now guys, our dumpster is all 3/16 plate steel. The bottom is actually 1/4-inch, and it is insulated on the bottom. So that's one of the reasons why it runs so efficiently. It's a really good all-around cooker. Something if you don't want to sit around and baby your fire all day long, you're gonna like this thing. Got one TMG Tell Truth thermometer there in the middle, 2 smokestacks, set on the off-road package. Just a really slick setup here. Going to man Don. Well, hey guys, that's this dumpster heading out. Y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.